What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. Got a big box. Guys, been waiting on this. Hey, that fly was... Yeah. Anyway, yeah, got a big box. I'm actually leaning on this box. I ordered this box 2 months ago, and I guess, I don't know exactly why, but I ordered it, and I got an email from LMR, and they said that, because these ship directly from the manufacturer, and they said they got a long lead time, you know, it's going to be forever. Did I want to switch up my order, whatever? I said, no, I'm sticking with it. And so I'm about to show you what is in this giant box that we've been waiting for forever, and why, and yeah, so let's go. All right, guys, as you can clearly see, boom! Yes, 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 y'all. And again, guys, I'm gonna explain kind of the what on this, but as you can see, we got our Corbo seat, and there is the track. But I'm going to set up the table. We're gonna get this bad boy out and take a look at it, talk about it, because I'm super pumped. All right, yes, gentlemen. This is taped up very well. Okay, so official Corbo seat track, and yes, guys, as you can see, I'm excited. What? Guys, I'm telling you, I'm excited. Let's get this bad boy open. Boys, I'm telling you, I freaking love it. Not bad at all. So, here's the deal, guys. I was looking at black. I was looking at the gray. I was like, let's do something a little freaking different. You know, it's okay to be a little different. And this is different. Okay, guys, so here's the situation with the car. When I drag race it, as you know, the stock Fox body seats are extremely, what's the word, flimsy. And when the car hooks and I'm trying to shift, I feel like I'm holding on for dear life to not fall into the back seat, and I'm holding on to the shifter instead of focused on driving. So I needed something super rigid to put in the car. But I'm not trying to be a racer boy, and so as you guys know, the hood stock, you know, there's no crazy gauges, none of that BS, other than like the wheels. Well, I gotta have the sponsor stickers, but I'm trying to keep the car as low key as possible. So I don't know, I might change my mind later. But right now I'm just doing the driver's seat. I'm gonna leave the passenger seat in it, leave the passenger seat stock, and just roll with this. And you know, most of the time I can take it out, put the stock seat in it. I probably won't, because I said that with the drag wheels. You know, essentially I said I'm going to, you know, take the drag wheels off and ride on regular street wheels. Well, they haven't come off since I put them on, and the seat will probably end up the same way. But guys, it's freaking red, and it's rock solid, and it's, you know, gonna take a little weight out. I didn't buy it to take weight out. It will take a little bit of weight out. But again, when I'm going down the track, I need to be focused on shifting gears, not trying to not break the seat frame on my stock seat. So let's get this, we need to get this bad boy in it. There's the seat track right there. Let's get this bad boy in the car. As you can see, my seat does not have the lean yet. As you can also see, no holes anywhere. The foam is garbage in it, so I feel like I'm sitting in a hole. But my driver's seat, again, guys, this car was a survivor when I got it. It only had like 80,000 miles on it. You know, I don't want it screwed up. I feel like I can get some foam, get a foam kit, and this seat will be back good to go. But as you can see, no lean, no nothing. So that's another reason I want to take it out. Freaking the passenger seat is like primo. It's perfect. But also the rigidity and, you know, preserve this thing. So let's get that seat in. All right, guys. So this is what you get when you order the seat track. Nothing to it. And apparently no hardware. I guess they expect you to use your original hardware. Huh? Well, no, hold on. Let's see. Don't get carried away here. Yes, we got to keep our seat clean. Okay, yeah, bolts. Bolts are in it. Good deal. All right, so let's get this thing on. Alright, gents, she is on. Bracket all bolted up. That's simple enough. Next up, obviously, get the seat out. And guys, pretty sure you know how to take a seat out. One bolt at each corner. And slide that thing in. So let me get this out and we'll get the other seat in, see how she looks. And I was hoping I'd find something good underneath here, but didn't find anything. I do got a hole. Actually a pretty big hole. That's it, a dime and a clip. So, and I gotta find a good place to store this thing. But, the hell with that. Let's get this freaking seat in because I'm dying to see it. Alright guys, literally 5 minutes later. Guys, I am freaking digging this. I'll get around back here so you can get another look. I am freaking digging this. Especially with the red car. Oh man. Alright, I need to get in this thing. See how it feels. Alright, I'll climb in here. Guys, this, I need to actually move the seat back a little bit. Whoa, that's a long way. Actually, it gives you more room. I've never sat back this far, but guys, this is primo. I've got wow. It's I'm telling you, and you spend the most time right here in this seat in this car. This is what your body is touching. And I'm going to tell you right now, the feeling is so much more confident inspiring. Because, like when I was driving before, you know, moving, bouncing back and forth. I'm not a small dude, yo. I'm a tick under 6 foot and 220 pounds. So these stock seats, especially being as old as they are, on tire, when I'm under hard acceleration and, you know, the car's hooking up, I mean, it was literally like I was back here and I was like holding on the steering wheel because I felt like the back of the seat was going to break. And I've broke a seat before. But man, this is great. I'm totally digging this. Guys, if you know, you know, but I'm really trying to get y'all to see what I'm talking about here. Like if you look at like the stock seat, that's just me pushing on it. you can see, and you know what, it is what it is. They're OE seats. They're older than dirt. You know, and if you weigh 150 pounds, not a big deal. But if you're a large individual like myself, and I mean, 150 pounds is below average even for the average man. But I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Like, you can see, you know, put somebody in there and the car is moving, the freaking difference. But oh my God, guys, I'm telling you. And you can see the red through the... I'm easily amused, forgive me. But I mean, look at this. That's freaking rock solid. I love it. And they've got the leather right here as you're getting out, kind of protect that. And I hope those wrinkles go away. That's kind of aggravating me. But fitment, boys, is great. Then it's just got the lever right there. And it actually, you can see how much farther the seat goes back. So if you're a taller guy, I would definitely recommend these as well. I looked at the ones that adjust. I never adjust my seat. I never lean it back. I would actually lean it forward at the track, like more upright, because I knew it was going to go back. So I was like overcompensating with that seat. But so the ones that have the tilt top they're nice, but I mean, I honestly didn't see myself needing it. And this seat is here for a very specific purpose, and that's so that I can have a solid foundation to kick clutches and yank shifter. Cold pavement. Cold pavement, cold tires. Again, guys, I get so many people, when are you going to get a street set up? Why? All it does is skate. Man, what a difference. I could actually... God bless. This thing feels great, y'all. This is one of those mods I should have done a long time ago. Check butter. I always have to check because you never know. Alright, let's go. Cold pavement. Cold pavement. Man, I'm telling you guys, this is such a far departure from riding around like holding on for dear life, like having to tense my whole body up instead of focus on my shifting. Yep. I'm getting new noises from the back of the car. I really think my torque boxes are done. Try to hit it again up here. I think they got a little heat in them. And that, boys and girls, is why drag tire. Oh my God, boys, I'm telling you, this thing is a freaking riot, and I should have done this seat a long time ago. If you have not done this mod, I highly recommend it. I don't know how they're going to hold up long term, or you know how it's going to hold up long, you know, on long distance trips, but I couldn't be happier right now. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hoping we're going to get on the track here. I'm going to check my torque boxes because I think they're done. Later.